Hello, Praisers and Savers. I am at CVS. So excited. My favorite store to shop at. Sorry I haven't been on in the past week and a half. I was super sick, but I am all better now and I am ready to get back into the couponing groove. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am so glad to have you. Please make sure that you like this video. Comment your favorite deals of the week at CVS or anything I missed. Please let me know. Also, subscribe and hit that notification bell to change all your notifications to all. We're going to be heading into CVS today. Going to be using some paper coupons, but a lot of digital coupons and some CRTs. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first deal I'm getting is a bundle deal, and you guys have seen this Crest Toothpaste coupon in the app before. There is a $6 off coupon when you buy 4 Crest products. There is not a digital coupon for the Crest Scope, but we're going to combine them together to get our best deal. So what we're going to do with the Crest Toothpaste is we're going to pick up 4 of these at $3.99 each. So it's $4, $8, $12, $16 in toothpaste. We'll get that $6 off coupon when we do all that. Also, we'll get $5 back in extra care bucks for those 4. So getting back $5 extra care bucks on that. Then we're going to pick up one of these Crest Scope mouthwashes. Now these are $4.79. There is no coupon for this, but we are going to get $3 back in extra care bucks. And then, because we're buying more than $20 worth of stuff, it's actually going to be like, I think $20.75 for this. We're going to use a $5 CRT. That $5 CRT is going to be $5 off $20 worth of Crest and Scope mouthwashes, Oral-B products, all of that. It's going to bring it down to just $1.75 for all 5 items. So that's a pretty great deal because we started off, it was $20.75, and now we're down to $1.75 after we have utilized the Crest Toothpaste coupon of $6, the extra care bucks that we're getting back, and the $5 CRT off 20. Great deal. We have a total freebie on the Colgate Total Toothpaste. When you buy 2 of them, they're $7.98. We have a digital coupon in the app for $7.98 when we buy 2, making this total freebie, so no paper coupons needed. This is a total digital. $7.98 will come off at the register. Alright, here are the Wet n Wild and the LA Color gift sets. There are many different kinds this year. They've stepped with the game a lot. So, I'm just seeing one down here. Hopefully this is part of it down here. Look at that eyeshadow palette. Very cute for a girl. Alright, so what we're going to do is these are $9.99 for these big sets, and then the other ones that are $4.99. So we can pick up 3 of these at $4.99 and we'll get back $4 extra care bucks, making these just 99 cents each, and the limit is 3 this week. And then on the other larger gift sets, these are $9.99. You'll get back $8 extra care bucks, and so that'll be $1.99. So that will also be a limit of 3 on those as well, I believe. And remember, this goes to like Beauty Club and your extra savings and all of that. So even though we're spending 99 cents on those and $1.99 on those, it's actually going to be a little bit cheaper because we'll get back money as well. It just, it's not immediate like we're used to. And there may be some CRTs that you have in the app. I heard there is a $3 off $10 worth of makeup in the app, but I do not have that CRT. But if you do, please click it and make sure you use it. I'm going to be picking up all 3 of the different types of LA Colors and the Wet n Wild sets. Very excited about these. These are also a great gift every year, and I like to give these out to my teenagers. But I also love this matte primer sets. These are my favorite. I always buy the Wet n Wild primers and the set and spray, so check it out. Alright, great deals on the Conair, not Revlon, Conair curling irons. These are usually $20.49. They're on sale for $15 plus a $10 extra care buck will come back, and of course this qualifies for your beauty points So these are only going to be $5 each. They have the 1-inch iron. They also have the 3/4 inch. So if you want smaller curls, I think we'll try this one because I have that bigger one already. They also have the ceramic rose gold color wands if you would like to try that as well. I'm gonna stick with that curling iron today. Only gonna be $5 when we get those extra care bucks back. All right, so the deal this week on the Hallmark cards, if you buy 3 of select Hallmark cards, you get $3 back in extra care bucks. I know for a fact that this is attaching to the 98-cent of the 99-cent Hallmark cards. Unfortunately, my store is all out of them, so you can pick up 3 of those 98-cent cards in the Hallmark section, and it will attach, making all of the cards totally free. So check it out, see if you have any of those 98-cent cards in your store, and let me know if you score. That was probably one of my favorite shopping trips I've done in such a long time. It was a small but mighty haul, which I love, small but mighty. I hate going to the store and then I'm getting so like frustrated because I've got so many items and I've been there forever and I just, you know, mess up or whatever. But it was a small but mighty trip and I loved it. So my total was $106. Now, I did get 3 of the LA makeup sets, the $4.99, and 3 of the $10 sets, the $9.99 ones, whatever. So I did get that. So I maxed out my sets on that. I want to show you my first receipt. I didn't even take my wallet out. I did not use a debit card, nothing, no cash, nothing. And so I will show you my first receipt. Let me roll it up a little bit for you. This is awesome. I love this. So my first receipt, that is right there, 100% savings. $52.70 was saved. So I did not take out any of my wallet. I was able to use extra care bucks from my previous transactions to roll over and completely save all that. And I even had $10 extra care bucks left over from that transaction I did just now. So that was awesome. I can use that next time. The thing that surprised me that I didn't realize was the I had a $2 off, $12 off your next purchase. Did not realize I had that, so that brought my total down even more, which was totally awesome. I didn't even realize. Sometimes I just load my CRTs on my app and it just works. The oral care products for the Crest, $6 came off just fine. The $5 off 20 came off just fine. And then I did have those CRTs that I used from before. That was like $22 in CRT. So 100% savings on there. I'm just checking to see if there's anything else. I could go back and get another scope if I had another coupon, and I could go back and get 2 more of those Crest toothpaste if I had another coupon. So I probably will look and see if I have any of those and go back. I have for my next time $12 in extra care bucks, $5 and $3 for next time. I also have $10 for next time, so that is a total of $22, $27, $30 extra care bucks that I'll use for the next time. On my next transaction, I did spend money, but I didn't spend money in my wallet. What I did was I always check out on my Fetch rewards, and I send my Fetch points to CVS, so I can just use that as my money at CVS. So for this one, it says that I saved $33.41, which is 64% savings, and I was able to use that gift card from my Fetch rewards on there. Now with this one, what I didn't expect on this one either was another $2 off 12 came off. So that was crazy. Didn't think that was going to happen, but that came off. So that brought my total down even more. And then I also had those little, you know, those 2% backs, those little pennies, so I had a 25% off and all that, those tiny ones that came off. So everything that I got today was $106. Now for me, I didn't pay for anything out of pocket because I was able to use those Fetch rewards. But if you guys were shopping and you had out those $2 off 12 for both transactions like I did, then the total was going to be $6. So I was able to get $106 worth of product for only $6. So that is going to be about 95% savings on this trip, which is awesome. All right, guys, I'm going to go home and check to see if I have anything on IBOTTA. I doubt I do, but I'm just going to check. I always do. And then also we'll submit my receipts to Fetch. I hope you guys scored as much as I did. And if you have anything that you want to share that you would say, you know, you should have went back and got this, let me know in the comments, because I will go back in CVS multiple times this week and just see if there was anything that I missed in the store. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Sunday, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday for the Publix video. Thanks. Bye.